We know sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and sin 90 is equal to 1. Let's try to make one figure. Suppose this is 30 degree. We know sin 30 or sin theta is equal to P by H. Opposite of this angle is P, and we know this is 90 degree, this is H. So this is P, this is H, which is equal to 1 by 2. Means if this is 1 centimeter, this must be equal to 2 centimeter. And we know that this complete is 90, so this is 60. 60 means if we draw here one line this way, yes, means cos 60. Let us find cos 60 for this angle. Okay, cos 60 means B by H. If this opposite angle is P, then this is B by H. We know from here 1, and we already find that this is 2. This 1 by 2 means if this angle is 1, this must be 2. So we also can see that sin 30 is equal to cos 60 from this drawing.